Welcome to Module 3, Lesson 2, Detection and Analytics. The learning objectives for this lesson will be to identify and appreciate how ATT&CK and CTI can help us better prioritize and build better detection analytics. Building off our last lesson, we can use cyber threat intelligence not only to prioritize techniques of interest, but also to identify and appreciate patterns within how these techniques are abused by adversaries. Cyber threat intelligence combined with ATT&CK can also help us define better goals in terms of how we actually want to defend against these adversary behaviors. ATT&CK can also serve as a starting point to help us define and scope how we want to build and deploy these defenses. Let's look at a tangible example of operationalizing the knowledge within ATT&CK. And in this case, we'll use the MITRE Cyber Analytic Repository as an example of operationalizing a data source and data component to detect a particular adversary technique. And with that, we reach the end of Lesson 2. Please pause your video for a moment to consider the knowledge check. And in this case, the correct response was D. When building detection analytics, the knowledge within ATT&CK can provide defensive suggestions, highlight variances in techniques, but also explain technical details. And as a quick summary of this lesson, cyber threat intelligence can help us prioritize how and where we build detection analytics. But also, the various knowledge in ATT&CK can augment the process and improve our output to particularly focus on adversary tactics, techniques, and procedures. And also, as a reminder, don't forget to check out the rest of the MITRE Attack Defender content and resources, particularly threat hunting and detection engineering.